In this video, I will show you how to configure the compliance settings in the WPLegalPages plugin. WPLegalPages is a WordPress plugin that generates legal policies for your WordPress website. It has 25 plus customizable legal policy templates that you can customize according to your requirements. Before getting started, make sure that you WPLegalPages plugin installed and activated on your website. So, let's get started. On your WordPress dashboard, click on WPLegalPages, Settings. Click on the Compliances tab. The Compliance Settings tab has a set of useful settings that can help you with certain legal requirements. WPLegalPages Pro has 5 compliance settings options. Add legal pages links to footer. Announcement banner for legal pages updates. Cookie bar. Add age verification pop-up. And create pop-ups. The first 3 options are available in the free version of the plugin as well. Let's click on Add Legal Pages link to the footer. This feature allows you to display links to your legal pages in the footer section of your website. Click on the Configure button to access the settings. You can enable this option by clicking on the Enabled Toggle button. Select the pages that need to be added to the footer. You can adjust the settings like background color, font, text color, text alignment, etc. Add a linked separator of your choice, and add custom CSS code if required. You can also change the link's order using the drag and drop feature. Finally, click on the Save button to save the changes. Let's check out the front end. Next, we have Announcement Banner for legal pages updates. This feature allows you to display announcement banners on your website whenever any legal pages have been updated. Click on the Configure button to access the settings. You can enable this option by clicking on the Enabled Toggle button. You can also change the position, type, and duration of the announcement bar. Type the message that you want to be displayed on the announcement banner. If you want to display messages for multiple updated pages, type those messages here. You can adjust the background color, font, text color, link color, etc., and custom CSS code. Save changes. Let's check out the front end. Next is Cookie bar. This feature makes it easy to add a cookie bar to your WordPress website. Under the Configure button, you can add the cookie bar title, add message, and customize the design as per your choice. You can even use your theme CSS just by switching on this button. Save the changes. Let's check out the front end. Add age verification pop-up. Using this feature, you can put a pop-up to restrict users below a particular age from entering your website. Under the Configure option, you can enable this feature. You can choose to verify the age of either guests or all visitors. Add a minimum age of verification for the visitors. You can also choose between the 2 verification display options of yes/no buttons, or input date of birth. Choose the button text, and enter the message for description, and invalid age criteria, and save. Let's check out the front end. Finally, we have the Create Pop-ups option. After enabling this option, you can see a Create Pop-ups option on the left side panel. Click here. Under this page, you can type the message in the editor that needs to be displayed as a pop-up. You can also add the legal pages on pop-ups by selecting a template. Copy and paste the generated shortcode to the editor. Add a title, and click on the Save button to generate the shortcode. You can find the generated shortcode in the available pop-up section. Copy and paste it into the necessary posts to create desired pop-ups. After enabling all the settings, click on the Save Changes. There you go. Your compliance settings are now configured. Choose from over 25 plus pre-designed templates and start generating legal pages for your website.